Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Aisha Marketing Valley, and I'm the student of Rehan School Online Academy. And I hope you're all doing great. So today I am delighted to have a very wonderful guest with me, Zainab Coding Wali. So we will be talking about her journey, interests, experience, goal, and much more fun. So I hope you enjoy and inspire you with this conversation. So first of all, Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum Assalam. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. So, the first question is, where are you from?
I'm from Rawalpindi, Pakistan.
Okay, so can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Okay, no problem. So, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Zainab Kodingwali, currently a level 1 batch 3 student at Rehan School Online Academy. So, yeah, that's my introduction.
Okay, so tell us about your family,
Like, what what should I tell about my family? Can you just
like
like
your sibling, your mother, your father.
okay? So, I have a little sister and my mother and father.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
I would describe myself in 3 words. Well, like extrovert and confident and book reader.
Okay, so what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books.
Okay, nice. So what are your interests?
Like what kind of interests?
Yes,
Like
like in reading books or art, painting, like this.
okay, so I used to do skating, but I don't really do it right now, and I also used to do painting, but not now.
Okay, so what makes you unique?
What makes me unique? I guess like I have the ability of reading books well.
Okay, so now tell me what was your childhood like? Like very boring or very interesting or very joyful? Like,
I guess it was actually really enjoyable.
okay, so what is your happiest childhood memory?
Happiest childhood memory. There are a lot of them. Like I don't have a single one. A lot of them.
Okay, so what games did you enjoy as a child?
I used to like, and I still like playing badminton and hide and seek, and there's a game like there's a runner and other person who escapes from the runner, so that game.
Okay, so what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject it's maths and English.
Seriously, your favorite subject is math?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so who is your favorite teacher and why?
I guess in Rehan school, Miss Mahakan graphic study, she's my favorite teacher. And as I'm in level 1, so there's a teacher called Nergis Training Wali, so I like she's like also my favorite.
Okay, so what is your favorite school memory?
From Rehan school, I guess it was when I completed my foundation level, so I was actually really excited for my level 1. So yeah.
Okay, so how do you prepare for your exams?
How I prepare? Well, I don't really have a technique, but how do I tell you? I just take a overview, and that's enough for me because I don't really like spend hours trying to prepare and
Okay,
studying so much.
So, do you prefer online classes or physical classes?
I prefer both of them.
But why?
Because sometimes in online classes, like if it's morning, so in online classes in morning it's like easy to just start your computer and take classes. But sometimes I like physical classes because uh, like you are whoever is teaching you, you can ask the question in real life, not from like the online device.
Hmm. Yes. So, what advice would you give to your students? You are not students.
Okay, so the advice that I would like to give is that whatever you do, just don't give up, because sometimes it happens like you're halfway to what you want to achieve and then you just want to give up. But that's not the right idea, because if you do, then all the time and energy you put into the project, it goes to waste. So, yeah.
Okay, so what are your strengths?
Sorry, can you clarify it
What
more?
What are your strengths?
Like what kind of?
Like my strengths are confidence building and like this. Okay, next questions. What are your weakness?
I don't think so. I have a weakness.
Wow,
I
nice.
guess, yeah.
Okay, so are you introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
Okay, so do you have any best friend?
My what?
Best friend.
Yeah, I got one.
Okay, so uh, how do your friend describe you?
I describe her describing me.
Uh, you describe her.
Okay, so my friend would, I guess, describe me as a friendly person.
Okay, so are you social or not? Like मैं तो ऐसी हूँ कि मैं जहाँ पर भी जाती हूँ मेरी बहुत सारी हर किसी से दोस्ती हो जाती है तो आपकी आप फ्रेंडली पर्सन है या फिर बस लाइक लिमिटेड फ्रेंड्स हैं आपके
No, I'm actually a social person. Like sometimes I go to events and I instantly click with people.
ओके सो व्हाट मेक्स यू फील स्ट्रेस्ड
What makes me feel stressed? Well, I guess sometimes it happens that I am trying to do like complete my task and it wouldn't budge. Like I'm trying my best to complete my coding task and it just won't like solve the error. So this makes me kind of stressed, but I have to find a way to complete my tasks. So I try my best. So
ओके
this thing is actually makes me stressed.
सो व्हाट मेक्स यू इंस्टेंटली हैप्पी
Something that I like the most. This makes me happy the most.
ओके सो व्हाट मेक्स यू इंस्टेंटली सैड
mm, like a memory, a sad memory, I guess.
ओके सो व्हाट इज योर बिगेस्ट फियर
I don't think so it is my biggest fear, but I am scared of heights.
ओके सो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन रेहान स्कूल
My experience in Rahan School is actually really great, because before joining Rahan School, I didn't really know that much about technology. Even though I used computer, but I didn't really know much about it. But when I joined, I learned a lot of new things and it's actually kind of useful for me.
Okay, so what values are most important to you?
What values are most important to me? um, I don't know.
Okay, so what is your dream job?
My dream job, well, I want to, if Can I say about a business?
Okay, so do you prefer business or jobs?
I would prefer business.
Yes, I'm also. So, where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
I see myself as a successful and independent person in the next 5 years.
Okay, so what does success means to you?
To me, that's a nice question. To me, success means that when you're trying to do something and you finally achieve it. So this means success to me.
Okay, so who inspire you the most?
My parents and Rihanna Lavala.
Okay, so what is your biggest achievement?
My biggest achievement, if you are saying about Rahan School, well, it is when I completed my foundation level, and another achievement is that I am almost about to complete like all my coding tasks from book 1 to 5. So that's also a big achievement for me.
Okay, so like, what is your comfort food?
I like ramen. It's my comfort food.
Okay, so what irritates you?
What irritates me, sometimes, well, like a place is small and there are a lot of things, like the for example, if you say about a room, um, there's so much like furniture and it's so much crowded, so it irritates me because I want less furniture but a peaceful room.
Okay, so what is your best habit?
My best habit, well, it's I can read books without feeling irritated.
So, what is your worst habit?
I don't think so. I have any.
Okay, so like, do you like teamwork?
Sorry.
Do you like teamwork?
Yeah, I like teamwork
But why?
because you can become socialized if you do teamwork, and if you work solo, so you can't really have many ideas. You can, but not as much as four people, for instance, can have all the ideas together. So it makes the project even more creative. So yeah.
Okay, so if a child misbehaves you, what will you do first?
First, I will just try to ignore because most children are mischievous. But if they do not listen, so I would like complain to their parent or just try to ignore them.
Nice. So, which country would you like to visit and why?
I would like to visit Japan because I really like their culture, and I would also like to visit Korea because I want to try their foods.
Okay, so what would you do if you become the principal of your school for a day?
Um, I don't really have an idea about it.
Okay, so um, how do you handle failure or like your mistakes?
If something bad happens, I would usually try to be calm and solve the problem.
Okay, so what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink, I guess, if you are saying about soft drinks, I like Muddy Bure, lychee flavor, and then Fanta. I like these both very much.
Okay, so how do you like spend your weekends?
I usually try to complete my tasks and maybe make a soji or two and spend my time with my family and read something.
Okay, so do you like family time or like friends time?
I guess both.
Okay, so can you cook?
Yeah, I love cooking very much.
Okay, so what is your favorite movie?
Um, my favorite movie it's Home Alone and Mr. Grinch.
Nice. Okay, so what is your favorite book?
I don't have a favorite book. I have favorite authors, and for instance, Roald Dahl, Enid Blyton, and David Williams. These are my favorite authors.
So, do you read like novels or like books? Which type of books?
There are like adventurous novels.
Okay. So, who is your favorite female actor?
I seriously don't have one.
Okay, so what is your favorite song?
I mostly like songs and then English songs and some of Pakistani songs. Not much, but some of them, like
Okay,
very
so
limited ones.
if your life was a movie, what would your title be?
Home Alone, because in Home Alone there is a child called Kevin, and he's like very mischievous. So yeah,
Okay, so what is your favorite animal?
my favorite animal it's cat.
Okay, so how often do you use social media?
I don't use social media for watching anything. But I like YouTube. Like I watch movies on YouTube and maybe some other videos. But for my tasks, I use LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. And I don't really watch these social media platforms. I only like YouTube.
So, do you watch any like vlogs or TV shows?
No, I don't watch vlogs or any kind of shows. I sometimes watch Mr. Beast. I like him very much.
Okay, so which app do you use the most?
As I told you before, for social media apps, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I use them mostly for uploading and nothing else.
Okay, so if you had a superpower, what would it be?
If I had a superpower, well, I guess um, it would be that I could travel time.
Hmm. Okay, so if you won $1 million, what would you do first?
Um, I guess I would like to visit the world.
Okay, so if you could change one thing in the world, what would it be?
Um, I guess if I could change anything in the world, it would be that people should study and like study really hard so that they can become successful. Because
Okay, so what? ठीक है
you
बोले.
see, most villages in the Pakistan and that's their laws, and I don't think so. That's a good thing.
Hmm. Okay, so what makes you laugh the most?
What makes me laugh the most, I guess, when something funny happens.
For example, what?
I don't really. For example, mm, I don't really. you remember
Okay, so don't
in the
worry.
book or something like that.
Okay, so what is the best advice you have ever received from your parents or like friends?
What's the best advice? Well, I
Yes.
guess my parents told me to never give up. So I guess that's the best advice. Oh,
Okay, so what qualities do you admire in others or your friends?
what qualities? I guess um,
Okay,
I don't
so
know.
now it's rapid fire round. So tea or coffee,
Coffee.
pizza or burger,
Pizza.
morning or night,
Morning.
summer or winter.
Mm, summer. Summer.
Hmm, I hate summers. Okay, books or movies,
Movies and movies. I guess.
cat or dogs,
Cats or dogs. Cats.
Instagram or YouTube,
Instagram or YouTube. YouTube.
chocolate or ice cream.
Chocolate or ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay, biryani or pizza,
Biryani.
mountains or beach.
Mountains or beach. Beaches.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your thoughts, experience, and valuable insights. So, thank you so much, Zainab,
Welcome.
and thank you so much, everyone, for watching and listening me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.